Okay, that video that I did yesterday was a bit dark, as in there's no light. So I thought I'd do one this afternoon. It's like 5:10. Not a good time. Oh, I was in the rain this morning because look, my bike's dirty. But look, I got the new Michelins, because these are the tyres that I like. Road 6. There are DC2 plus, so they got the outer compound is actually really sticky, and it's got a medium, and then it's got the hard center, so it's got the best of all worlds kind of. So at least you can see it this time. So I've got this extra thing, a Covix. It's like an alarm, so if anyone touches it, it has 120 decibels alarm. So today, if it sounds different, it's because it is. I'm not using my mic, because I find that the mic dulls the sound of this crazy Van Diemen exhaust. You can't really hear it properly. So I'm just wondering, that exhaust is so close to the right side of the rear tyre. It's like generating heat through my foot. I wonder if it's actually heating up the tyre as well. But anyway, that's something that I have to address. So thanks to Coastal Motorcycles, Kawasaki, KTM and Honda. As soon as I turned up, they just said, look, we'll give you a free bay, and they booked me in straight away. They're so good there. I mean, I wouldn't expect everyone to get that kind of service, because I'm special. Anyway, so let's just check my oil level. It's there. Okay. Anyway, so the tyres are still brand new. I think they've got 4 kilometres on them, because as soon as they finish putting the tyres on, it's got 5.6 kilometres. So anyway, we'll see how this goes. I know it gets a bit windy when I'm not using my mic in my helmet, but it doesn't really give the true sound of the motorcycle. I know this from using it on the Ninja. There's a bit of wind, but if you guys can just this once put up with it, you'll get the true sound of how this thing sounds. Anyway, here we go. It's not a cold start. What is it? Oh, it says 4 degrees, so, or 84 degrees, so it's not a cold start. Hopefully you're picking that up. I won't be talking, because the sound of the bike will, if you can even hear me at the moment. Anyway, let's go for a quick lap. It's going to be like 5 minutes. I've already used like 3 minutes of it, I think. But anyway, let's go. It's peak hour traffic, so I'm staying off the main roads. Mention, because I got brand new tyres, I'm making use of the rain mode, so like the power is muted, and the ECU and the traction control and everything's on rain mode to help me with these new tyres. So new tyres are slippery, so you've got to be careful what you do, but they're Michelin, so they're really good. But I've got to get up to like 50 kilometres before they start really gripping. told them about the quick shifter, and they didn't really have time. I mean, they made way for me already to put the tyres on, which I really, really appreciate. Those guys at Coastal Motorcycle are awesome. If you have a Honda or a Kawasaki or a KTM, that's all she wrote. Good place to stop. Look at that awesome house. I'd like to know what that guy does for a living, but whatever it is, it's very successful, I just must say. He's got that big Italian yacht out the front. Anyway, I'm going to upload this no matter what, so it's probably going to have wind noise, but you can't really beat the mics straight out of the camera to give you that reality of what the thing sounds like, even though I'm just cruising. I mean, I don't think I even went over $6,000. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the view. Actually, I'll show you the bike before I showed you before, but anyway, here we go. I love these bits on the front. They're so cool. It's got a blacked out Kawasaki symbol. Anyway, see you in the next one.